Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to deactivate Facebook account. So in order for us to deactivate our Facebook account, we are going to head over to our profile and then we're just going to click this gear icon here or the settings. And then once we are here, we're just going to go ahead and click see more in account center. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down. We're going to go ahead and click our personal details, and then we have here the account ownership and control. Go ahead and click that. Now here, this is the deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and click that as well. Now I'm gonna choose Facebook because our topic for today is Facebook. And yep, there you go. It says deactivate your account temporarily. Now deleting is for permanent. So I chose deactivate, click continue. And then I'm just going to go ahead and continue with this one. Basically, I have a page and it is going to be deactivated as well. Now click continue. All right, and then from here, you are just going to simply type your password and you are done. And that is how you are going to deactivate Facebook account.